How to fix Doordash Dasher login error. So here's what we have to do. Go into your phone settings, and here just scroll down until you see the search bar. Search for offload unused apps and click on this first option here. I'll show you some other things you can do as well. So scroll down and find your Doordash Dasher app. So I have it right here, the Dasher app. And what we want to do is offload the app. Offload and then click on reinstall. Now this is going to reinstall the Doordash Dasher app, and if that doesn't work for you, if you still get the login error, then what you can do is you can restart your phone. So just click and hold on the power button and then restart, turn off your phone and start it back up. Now if that doesn't work either, you can either use a completely different device, or what you can do is change your internet connection. So if you're using your mobile data, you can use your Wi-Fi connection, and if you're using your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch over to mobile data and see if that fixes it for you. So those are 3 things that you can do to fix the Doordash login issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.